The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Using a T20 Torx head, remove the screws. Remove the passenger rug. Remove the back panel of the footwell. Remove the foam piece in the corner. Unclip and remove the housing panel. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1254C filters into the housing. You may need to install one and then push it all the way down to be able to install the other. The airflow indicating arrow should be pointing towards the back of the vehicle. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the foam in the corner. Reinstall the back panel. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the rug.